Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday, November 24th. So two more days before Thanksgiving. So a lot of people busy shopping right now. Probably tomorrow and like a last minute shopping for before Thanksgiving. That store is gonna be really busy because I do work in the retail store, so I know it happens a lot, especially like last minute shopping. We got really busy. You wanna say hi? Kayla's playing with the what do you call chair pad. She put it in her bag. She like to put the chair pad on her back. I don't know what she's thinking, but hi. Okay, look at her. Right now I'm making her favorite food. This is one of her favorite food, cheddar and broccoli. It's almost done. This take only like less than 10 minutes to cook. So this is definitely done. The pasta is soft already. And for additional, she like to add more shredded cheese on the pasta. So I put maybe like not too much. After the pasta cook, I just sprinkle of couple of this shredded cheese on her pasta. While I'm waiting the food to cool down because it's so hot right now, it's very hot. Let's open the package that I ordered. No, not me, that Dan ordered yesterday. I think this is the camera mount that I wanted for my this camera. Oh wait, what is it? I have no idea what's this. It's so tiny. Wait, why is it too small? Oh, okay. So this is the, how do you call that? When I like to film a short videos, I'd like to use my camera horizontal. Tama ba yun? I'm not sure if I say it right. So this is the little mount that goes to the camera to record horizontal video for my shorts videos to upload it on my social media account. It's so tiny. So yeah, I do already have one, but the other one that I have, it's too big. It's made for like a bigger camera. So that's why I decided to grab another one just for this camera that actually fit perfect for this camera, for this small camera. So this is what's look like, super tiny mount for the small camera. And I don't know what this for. It comes with a little screw, so